Right, so the next thing we're going to be looking at is patient medication. So one of the features in this application is most of the menu items on the left provide you with a list of all the active patients in the nursing home, and you can then look at the NHS number. In most cases is what you would click on to actually view information or to create or update information. So over here, two of the NHS numbers can be clicked, as you can see when I hover over them. That means that there is some information that has already been created, and for those that cannot be clicked, I can create new information. So if I click on, for example, this patient, John Malkovich, I can see that a medication record was created for this patient, which is paracetamol, with the dosage, the time and frequency, and some comments. And then I can update that medication record as well, maybe by changing the dosage from 250 milligrams to maybe let's say 500 milligrams. Okay, and if I click back on that, I can see that that record has been changed. And if in any case we want to inactivate a particular medication, we can then go into comment and maybe make that as inactive. But this makes sure that any medication that we have actually prescribed or has been used by that patient stays on the record, even though it is active or inactive at any point in time. So again, for this user over here, we have a particular medication, Lasix, which is 5 milligrams morning before breakfast, comment to help with water retention issues, and so on and so forth. The other feature is the body map. So the body map, again, we have a list of all the patients, active patients in the nursing home. The NHS number can be clicked to look at the body map of any one of these patients. So for Daniel Combs, we'll go ahead and click on his NHS number, and we'll see that the body map displayed will provide us with all the different zones. So if you look at the bottom, you can see that this is the left arm, the chest, abdomen, the upper back, lower back, the left leg, upper area, lower area, foot, back of the head, front. So we can click on any one of these areas. So we'll go ahead and maybe click on the abdomen here. It's going to ask us to upload a file with the body map, upload a file which shows the actual bruising or whatever. So we can say bruising in abdominal area for Daniel, and we can choose a file. So I'm limited to the number of files I actually have, so I'll just keep on using the same one for now. But we would have a folder where these files would be uploaded when we take a picture for the patient, or using the camera, using your Android phone or Apple phone, you can actually load this application online while you're visiting the patient and take a picture and save it to the database. So I can click on the abdomen here, and that will load the image, and it will show the comments that were put over there, and I can go back to the body map, and again I can see that. I can also click on that again if, let's say, the bruising has gone, and delete the record, and that takes me back to the body map, and I can see that the abdominal area highlighting has now been cleared.